Today in the Roy Garage, we're putting a power steering box in the good old Irrational International. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hack this off right here, but we're gonna get this out so we can try and fit the new one. There we go, and now we have 3 bolts. There, and there. These bolts are on here so tight. We need a full body workout trying to take them off, but I have a better idea. Same amount of time that it took me just to loosen this one up a little bit. Look at that. I got all 3 of them gone. I just need to be careful that I don't touch anything that's super hot. That's out. This goes in. Look how much bigger that is. How the heck is that gonna fit in here? So you guys get to find out. So the old power steering pump sat on top right here. I don't have a ton of space. This power steering box is ginormous, and we're gonna try and fit it right in here. So we're gonna get started by lifting the jack up and setting it in place, getting some measurements, some clearance on some fittings that come out of here. Just kind of test fit it up, and then we'll work on getting it fastened to where we want it to go. One thing you guys see here is I turn the tire all the way to the right to make sure I have clearance here. And then we'll put on that black inner fender on this side to see what type of clearance we have on these 2 things. I'm not complaining because there's a ton of space right here. Cutting like a U once I figure out where it's at. This is the first time I've had this in here since putting the motor in, and oh, it looks beautiful. All together, guys, I got the pump underneath here. Test fit is a success. Looks about right there. Right there is where it's gonna be. right there, Jake. There you go. All right. Sweet. She's in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you know when a new video is coming out.